Start. Law of dominance proves that according to Mendel, he proposed four laws, that is law of inheritance, law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. So according to law of inheritance, he proved that whatever character, whatever gene is transferred from one generation to another generation. And according to law of dominance, the character are transferred from one generation to another generation. According to this, he took two plants, that is tall plant and dwarf plant. In this capital T, small t, this is the gene which are present in this plant, and when these plants are crossed with dwarf plant, the two characters, that is one is dominant and one is recessive. The dominant means the character which is seen, and the recessive means the character which are unseen, that is this character is less effective. Dominance means this is more effective, and by the full dispatch system, Mendel proved that the dominant and recessive characters are both seen in law of dominance according to in this capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Capital T indicates dominant. That means capital T, small t, capital small t, capital T, small t, and small t, in which this is dominant character. The character which is tall, the character is tall, both characters are seen, that means this plant is pure tall. And in this second case, the capital T and small t, this is dominant and this is recessive. So the plant is tall. This is tall. This is pure tall. This is tall. And this is dwarf. This capital T is dominant and small t is recessive. So these characters is more effective and this is less effective. So the plant is tall and this plant is tall, and in this no capital T is still there. So that means this is small t is dominant and the plant is dwarf. So according to the Mendel, the law of dominance, Mendel proved that the capital T is dominant and small t is recessive. That means the character which is dominant is will give more effectiveness in the next plant, next generation, and a small t which is less effective will give less effectiveness. So the ratio 3:1 proves that if three plants are tall, in which only one plant is pure tall and two plants are medium size and one is dwarf. And according to genotypic ratio 1:2:1, one is pure tall. That means the character is dominant, and two plants which is of medium size, in which both the capital T and small t are recessive and capital T is dominant. So the plant is neither tall neither dwarf, so of medium size. And last one is, that is small t, both the small t are dominant. So that means the capital T is not seen here, so the plant is of dwarf height. So according to law of dominance, he proved that the capital T and small t, capital T indicates that dominant and small t that is recessive, that is effective, that means dominant are more effective and recessive is less effective.